Welcome to our channel. Verifying your Upwork account is crucial for freelancing success and accessing all platform features. Follow these steps. Step 1. Complete your Upwork profile with accurate information including skills, experience, and portfolio items. Step 2. Navigate to Settings and click Get Verified or respond to the verification prompt. Step 3. Start video verification process. You'll need a webcam and government-issued ID ready. Step 4. Position your ID clearly in frame when prompted. Ensure all text is readable. Step 5. Complete the live video call. Follow instructions to move your head and speak prompted phrases. Step 6. Answer security questions about your profile and intended use of Upwork. Step 7. Wait for manual review. Upwork team reviews your verification within 24 hours typically. Step 8. Check your email for verification results. You may need to provide additional documentation. Step 9. Once verified, add payment methods and start bidding on projects with the verified badge. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.